Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Let's begin. Into the mixing bowl place your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, and beat the three of them together until they are well combined, lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You can then add in your egg and your pumpkin puree and give a good mix until it's all fully incorporated. The mixture may scramble. This is alright, we'll be able to fix it once we add the dry ingredients in. So before you add your dry ingredients, you'll want to sift them through first. This is just in case there's any lumps in the dry mix. And then you can just add in the chocolate chips as well. And then start to mix on a low speed, working you up to a medium speed. And then a dough should form, taking it no further than that, as you don't want to overmix the dough. My dough was a little bit sticky, so I placed it in the fridge overnight. This just helps to firm up the mixture and develops a flavour. Then for each cookie, you'll want to take 2 scoops of cookie dough, roll them together and place onto a baking tray lined with some parchment paper. And then once you've got around 6 onto the tray as these do spread, you'll want to flatten them down, and I use a cookie cutter just to round them off so they bake more consistently. So feel free not to use the cookie cutter, as I understand that you may not have one, but if you want your cookies to look more rustic you don't need to do this anyway, and if you roll them and flatten them properly you probably don't need to anyway. So here are what the cookies look like once they are fresh out of the oven. This tray was hot and my finger kept touching it, so I kept burning my little finger. But then onto the top of each cookie you'll want to place some more chocolate chips, because who doesn't want more chocolate with their cookie? And you'll want to repeat this for the remainder of your cookies. Again, this is completely optional, but I like to add more chocolate, as everybody who eats cookies always likes more chocolate, don't they? And if you're not that type of person, then who are you, really? So that's how you make pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back again next week with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. All the links will be there, my social media, my blog and everything else you need, so don't forget to check that out. And for this week, that's all. Bye guys.